The importance of financial foresight and prudent money management has never been more pivotal. In this video, we'll unravel 6 pivotal strategies to transform your saving approach and fortify your financial groundwork for the year ahead. As the economic landscape continues to shift and adapt, the essence of saving money stands as a steadfast beacon in securing financial stability. Whether you're aiming to bolster your emergency fund, achieve specific financial milestones, or merely seeking a buffer against unforeseen expenses, cultivating effective saving habits is an indispensable asset. This episode is crafted to equip you with actionable insights tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities. From harnessing the power of technological advancements to embracing minimalist philosophies and making savvy investment choices, each strategy is a stepping stone towards a more secure financial future. So, if you're eager to harness financial empowerment and chart a more prosperous course in the coming year, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unpack these 6 game-changing methods designed to elevate your saving prowess and redefine your financial journey. Don't miss out, these strategies hold the key to unlocking your financial potential. Number 1. Reevaluate your budget. Let's delve deeper into this fundamental step. Your budget is the backbone of your financial journey. Take the time to categorize your expenses: essential, non-essential, and discretionary. Analyze where your money is going and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Perhaps renegotiating bills, seeking cheaper alternatives for services, or meal prepping to reduce dining expenses could make a substantial difference. Creating a realistic budget requires dedication and adaptability. Don't shy away from occasional check-ins throughout the year to ensure you're on track. Adjustments are part of the process, especially when life throws unexpected curveballs. Remember, a well-planned budget empowers you to allocate funds consciously toward your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment, an emergency fund, or that dream vacation. Moreover, consider popular budgeting strategies like the 50 by 30/20 rule, allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Tailoring this to your circumstances fosters a healthy financial balance. Remember, a budget isn't a restrictive tool. It's a roadmap to financial freedom. It's about prioritizing what matters most to you. Number 2. Automate your savings. Automating your savings can be a game changer in achieving your financial goals. It's about making saving a seamless part of your routine. Schedule recurring transfers from your checking to your savings account on payday. This proactive approach ensures that a portion of your income goes directly into savings before you have the chance to spend it elsewhere. Many financial institutions offer features to automate savings, allowing you to split your paycheck between different accounts effortlessly. You can designate specific amounts or percentages to go into emergency funds, retirement accounts, or even separate savings goals, making financial planning more organized and efficient. Moreover, automated savings not only cultivates discipline but also takes advantage of the power of compound interest. Over time, even modest contributions can grow significantly, amplifying your savings potential. By making saving automatic, you remove the temptation to skip or reduce contributions. It's a proactive step towards securing your financial future, allowing you to steadily build your wealth without constantly monitoring or adjusting. Remember, taking control of your financial journey begins with small, consistent actions. Number 3. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a cornerstone of financial growth. While saving is crucial, investing allows your money to work for you and potentially generate greater returns over time. However, it's essential to approach investments thoughtfully. Consider diversifying your investments across various assets to spread risk. Stocks offer potential growth but can be volatile. Bonds, on the other hand, provide stability but typically offer lower returns. Exploring mutual funds or real estate can further diversify your portfolio, reducing risk while aiming for higher gains. Assess your risk tolerance and align your investments with your financial objectives. Short-term goals might be best served with more conservative investments, while long-term goals can afford a more aggressive approach. For those new to investing or seeking personalized guidance, consulting a financial advisor can be immensely beneficial. They can help tailor an investment strategy that suits your unique circumstances, providing insights and expertise to navigate the complexities of the market. Remember, investing wisely involves continuous learning and adapting to market trends. Number 4. Embrace discounts and coupons. In the quest for savings, leveraging discounts and coupons can be a powerful tool. Whether shopping online or in-store, making use of available discounts can significantly impact your overall spending. Take advantage of digital coupons, promo codes, and cashback offers. Many websites and apps offer these discounts across a wide range of retailers, making it convenient to save on everyday purchases. Additionally, signing up for newsletters or loyalty programs often unlocks exclusive deals and rewards. When grocery shopping, clipping physical coupons or using digital ones can substantially reduce your bill. Combine these savings with store promotions for even greater discounts. Moreover, don't overlook negotiating for better deals on services like internet, cable, or insurance. A simple phone call can sometimes result in reduced rates or added benefits, saving you money in the long run. Remember, embracing discounts and coupons isn't about depriving yourself, but rather about smart spending. Number 5. Adopt healthy habits. Believe it or not, your health and wealth are interconnected. Adopting healthy habits not only improves your well-being but also positively impacts your finances. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can reduce medical expenses in the long run. By prioritizing regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep, you may decrease the likelihood of costly health issues, thus saving money on medical bills and treatments. Furthermore, take advantage of preventive care services and wellness programs offered by healthcare providers or employers. These programs often provide resources and incentives for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, potentially reducing healthcare costs and insurance premiums. Beyond the direct health-related savings, adopting healthy habits can boost your productivity and energy levels. Increased productivity can lead to professional growth and opportunities for higher income, contributing positively to your financial stability. Remember, investing in your health isn't just an expense. It's a valuable investment in both your present and future. Number 6. Seek professional advice. When it comes to navigating the complexities of personal finance, seeking guidance from a financial professional can be invaluable. Financial advisors possess expertise in various areas of finance. They can assist in creating a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your goals, risk tolerance, and current financial situation. Whether it's retirement planning, investment strategies, tax optimization, or debt management, their insights can provide clarity and direction. However, it's essential to do your research and find a qualified advisor you trust. Look for certifications, check reviews, and seek recommendations from friends or family to ensure you're partnering with someone who has your best interests in mind. Remember, financial planning is not a one-time event but an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan with a professional can help you stay on track and adapt to life changes or market fluctuations. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. It's a proactive step towards securing your financial future. Your journey towards financial empowerment begins with taking actionable steps today. Thank you for watching and engaging with us.